What is up, you guys? This is Jessica, back in another video. I'm going to show you my WWE DVD collection. So let's get started. First one, I got the Army 2009, 2008 DVD. Next is the Survivor Series 2008, Cypher Sunday 2008, SummerSlam 2008. The Marine 2, the best pay-per-view views matches 2009-2010, the greatest superstars of WrestleMania, the best of SmackDown 10th anniversary. Next is Backlash 2007, the 3 John Cena Spirits, the Legendary, the Marine, more like is John Cena, John Cena War Life. Next is the best Raw and SmackDown 2011, the greatest superstars of the 21 history. I'm watching that right now. The Randy Orton, the Evolution, Jeff Hardy, My Life, My Rules, the Story of Edge, You Thinking About Me, awesome DVD, Edge Decades and Decades. Next is Hell in a Cell 2011, Justin from the cover, SummerSlam 2011, Money in the Bank 2010, WrestleMania 26, and WrestleMania 25, and World War I 2009, No Way Out 2009. So that's all my DVDs collection. I might get more DVDs, I hope. Pray I do. Last video I did, it was my music video. It was horrible. I'm probably not going to do that. So later. Peace out.